Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we have an exceptionally gorgeous, exceptionally nice 68 Rally Sport Camaro Convertible for you today. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you get all the specs, pricing, photos top to bottom of this car and a few hundred other collector cars, all for sale. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you click the little bell. That way you're notified as these videos come out. But right now, top is down. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, the fit and finish on this car is extraordinary. Inside and out, it's just, again, the fit and finish is better than factory. Front to back, it's like a mirror. You could read a book in the reflection of this car. All the gaps are beautiful. It is 100% smooth. There's no waves, no ripples. The paint is just like glass. I just got through wiping it down. I didn't see a flaw anywhere. So fantastic body. Has spoilers, has the cowl hood, and it's a Rally Sport. The Rally Sport is the hidden headlights, the trim on top the doors, and the reverse lights are located down below the bumper. A non-Rally Sport, they're right in the tail light. All of the trim is new. These lenses, the bumpers, the tail lights are new. The door handles, the trim on top the doors here, the mirrors, the windshield's new. This here looks like it's been replaced. The wipers are real nice. Emblems, the rocker trim, marker lights, all of that's been redone. Just a beautiful black finish. The grille is all new. Everything's real nice there. The front bumper is actually really shiny, but I'm not going to call it new. It's really nice, but has just a little wear on it. Completely restored. Not a spray can special, but this is a restored motor compartment. Has its VIN number matched 327 to 75 horsepower. That's the 4-barrel version. Stock carburetor with the correct choke, the fuel line, the plug wires, the little heat shields around the spark plugs, the stock manifolds, the hoses and clamps are reproduction. Spring clamp battery cables with a Delco battery topper, the right air cleaner, everything in there is restored. The interior, super nice. I mean, it's all new. The cranks, the vents, the knobs, the heater controls, the Deluxe steering wheel. The seats are all recushioned, so the upholstery fits perfect. If you didn't notice, it is a Deluxe interior with the Houndstooth upholstery. Really sharp combination. Real nice clean trunk compartment. It's been spatter painted. This is all painted real nice. New weather strip. This has the factory gauge package. It has the Tic Toc Tachometer in the dash. The clock is working. It has the gauges in the console. Retro digital stereo in the dash. And like I said, the knobs, the little brake release handle, the pedals, the heater controls, the mirror, all of it's new. It has GM seat belts. Those are original seat belts, but in really nice shape. Disc brakes up front. They're power. It has a cadmium plated booster, new master, new lines. Washer bottles new. It's hooked up to the squirters. The wiring looks like it's all new. The alternator's new. Has power steering. Shroud is new. Has the decals. It looks like it has new hoses and parts for the vacuum doors in front. So everything's detailed, restored, beautiful under the hood. Door jambs are real nice. So underneath the car, it has the correct exhaust with the transverse muffler, new fuel tank. It's actually a polished tank with new straps, new sending unit. I think it's a 308 gear in the back, the original rear end. There's pictures underneath the car on our website. That's volocars.com. Original Power Glide transmission. Get the right key in here and we'll fire it right up. dash pad. I mean, it's like sitting in a new car. It even feels like a new car because of the new cushions. The kick panels, the vent levers in the kick panels. It sounds just like it should. It's got the right exhaust, all new weather strips. It's a black convertible top. It's not brand new, but it's in good shape. So if you're real particular and you just really enjoy quality, this car is so nice. It's one of those cars you just open the garage door and peek in at your baby and it's going to give you a good feeling. It's just a nice, nice piece. Convertible top boot is new. So go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact us. You can shop from home if you like. We'll take the time to walk through the whole car, the whole process with you. More photos, videos, test drives. However we can help, we are willing to do that. That's at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the little bell so you're notified every time we put a video like this out. I appreciate everyone who's been watching. Stay tuned because there will be a lot more to come.